Hello guys, welcome back again. Today I am going to show you how to get free Bitcoin every hour online for free. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to get updates on my videos. So let's begin. Note: this works on both computers and mobile phones. Let's open our web browser. Then search for Moon Bitcoin. Now choose the first one. Check the link carefully. This is what the home page looks like. Now log in with your wallet address. So let me show you where to get yourself a wallet address. There are so many wallets, but I prefer Trust Wallet. So search for Trust Wallet and open to see something like this. So the address looks exactly like this. You can get the app on the Google Play Store or App Store. So let's continue.
So log in with the address. And the site will bring you here. This is the dashboard. This website records what you made today, yesterday, this month, last month, last 7 days, and lifetime. First hit on Bitcoin mining. After, click on hourly Bitcoin, active. It will automatically transfer it to your account. Now let's check the withdrawal process. So this is what I have made within 2 to 3 hours. And this is the minimum withdrawal. So this means you can withdraw when you get 0.050000000 Bitcoin when you get there. This will help those who are normally online to make lots of money. Spend some few hours and make more money. Follow me on TikTok at Quicka Website. And on Instagram at Quicka Website. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more and updates.